Now, baby, I ain't want to gossip, but I will bring you the tea. And this here, honey, it got my blood pressure and my spirit pressing up at the same darn time. I said what I said. They done failed Shanquella Robinson again, y'all. And they got the nerve to tell her mama to just deal with it. Child, let's talk about it. Are y'all ready? Honey, Shanquella Robinson, 25 years young, bright, beautiful, a businesswoman, a daughter, a friend. Honey, she went to Mexico with six so called friends, fake friends, came back in a body bag. Unbelievable. And what did they say? Alcohol poisoning. That's what her friend said, but honey, it was all lies. Because, baby, that video said otherwise. Yes, they recorded video footages of them hitting on her, kicking on her, just whooping her ass, okay? To the point where she was out of it. And you can tell she didn't have no fight in her. In the video of Shanquella Robinson, they said early in that morning, they drugged her and they really fucked her up. All of them. It was how many? It was about three or four girls and three or four boys. I mean, men and women was hitting on her and killing her. Now, baby, that video says otherwise, as you guys have seen it. The autopsy also says otherwise. That broke neck, that's what she had, a broke neck and a spinal cord said otherwise. And those friends, they came back to the United States and they got quiet. They got ghosts. And ain't none of them been behind bars. Now, ain't that a damn shame? It's a goddamn shame. Cabo 6 is what we call them. I call them demons with a passport. Now, let me tell you what just happened that made me want to slap my fan through the courthouse doors. A judge just dismissed most of the lawsuits filed by Shanquella's mama. Yes, girl, Shanquella's mama, against the FBI and the State Department. Dismissed, baby. Tossed out like yesterday's church flyer. And why? Because apparently the United States government can fail your child, ignore any requests, and just bungle an international investigation and just say, oops, not our problem. They botched the whole shit. They botched it. They botched it, then they said it's not their problem. They said, you can't sue just because you don't like how we handle it. The devil is a lie, honey. The FBI moved slow. I'm talking real slow, like a funeral progress slow, okay? The autopsy was delayed. Evidence was lost. The State Department displaced, and the paperwork all over the place. Honey, all the requests they was asking for denied. They stonewalled her mama like a goddamn stranger. And now a judge is saying, well, the FBI is protected. The government doesn't have to be right, just untouchable, I guess. Child, if the USPS hits your car, you can sue. But if the FBI fumbles your child murder case, too bad, so sad, honey. The woman they wanted. They wanted a woman in Mexico. What's her name? Deshanae Jackson. Now goes by Armani Green. Honey, she got a whole new name. Did she transition, honey? Ooh. Who you hiding from, sis? Cause you sure ain't hiding from the law. They ain't looking for you. She's still on the U.S. soil, still living her best life. Meanwhile, Shanquella mama crying over her baby's last breath. Mexico asks for her back. The United States says we don't see enough. The judge says you can't sue us for being raggedy. And this ain't even about Mexico no more. This is about how this country treats black mothers when their babies are stolen. Now, one small part of the case is still active. How the agencies treated Shanquella's family, honey, whether they lied, whether they withheld information, whether they were cruel or dismissive. But honey, this ruling was a punch in the goddamn face. We ain't gonna stop talking, we ain't gonna stop posting, and we damn sure ain't gonna stop demanding for justice. Now, this is what I want to know about this. Shanquella, was she killed in Mexico in 2022? Evidence shows, or was it alcohol poisoning? Come on now. Okay, but I want to know your thoughts about this. Love you guys. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe here. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.